Yes. Hello, good morning. Good morning, good morning. How are you today? I'm good, thank you. So, yeah, let's go live. Post a little picture on Instagram. This stream, we will be focusing on finishing the integration test for the integration test package. So yesterday we made some good progress. We managed to finish 3 of them or 2, and today I have about an hour before I need to go to the office. We will focus on finishing the other 4. Let me first just put a little message on Instagram that I am live. Then a little bit of music to go along with it. Something about life. Okay, just give me a second, guys and girls, of course. And let me give them a link to Twitch, maybe. Yeah, Twitchy. So we do Coda, Twitch. Yeah, and just do it like this. Whoop. That was me. And then I made a little thumbnail for today, for this stream. So I managed to create a pretty efficient system for creating these thumbnails. Let's see, Codavito, art, images, thumbnails. Oop, thumbnails. There it is. I'll show it to you. And I think if we just share it like this, airdrop. Yes, then we can copy it. Alright, now on to the real work. Let's do this. IntelliJ. Like I mentioned, we have only about 1 hour. So let's make the best out of it. No time to waste. Hey, my one viewer. Good morning. Okay, let's go. We finished here. Let's see. Find the example project. This is here. I'll try not to make too much sound when pressing keys and working on my keyboard on my desk. I noticed I was tapping a lot, which is annoying. You have headphones on. I'll try to think of something for that. Until then, I'll try to be aware of it. So the tests are, where are they? The tests are gone. No, they're here and here. So we incremented the model counter scenario and we decremented the model counter scenario to give you a little look of how it looks. Just to give you a little another look of how it feels. It's still early. My English is a little bit still waking up. Okay, I'll put this here. 25 minutes. We need to respect the breaks today. Because my eyes, yes, this weekend, really bad stuff. Coffee. Guys, oh, you want to hear some music? Shall I put some music, my one viewer? I will give you some music. What are we in the mood for today? let's see. Let's go to Epidemic Sound. I have a subscription here, so I can use their music in my streams. Focus and study. Not so focused today. No. Work from home, relaxing sleep, Twitch, just chatting. It's probably really. Let's do that. Like or wait, it's morning, so let's choose a morning sound. Do we have that? Soothing and relax. Morning, afternoon lounge, work from home, tropical chill, relaxing sleep. Best songs of 2021. Well, that was a good year, wasn't it? Let's do it. Okay, sure. I know you can't hear it right now. I'm gonna put it on, turn it on. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Who's with me? There you go. The best songs of 2021. Nice. Okay, let's run the test that we made yesterday. Let's give you a little idea of what we're going to do today. Where's the simulator? Simulator, are you there? Nope. Simulator is hanging. Then this test will not succeed. Are you okay? Okay. Okay, simulator, please show up. We are live. No time to mess up now. Simulator. Force quit the simulator. Yes, okay. Then start the simulator again. Yes. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have some problems with the simulator today. Wait a minute. It's probably on my screen that is open on my laptop. I'm gonna close it. Hopefully, I'll stay online. Yes, we're still here. Right. Hello? Can anyone hear me? There's the simulator. It wasn't broken. It was just on the screen that I wasn't seeing. Because the screen is behind my monitor. Okay. Anyway. Let's go. It is a little bit smaller. I wish it was a little bit smaller. So this integration test will run the test that we made yesterday. Cool. I wonder if I can create timestamps in my YouTube video when the stream is done. And I can say, okay, at 10 minutes I started doing this, and at 20 minutes and this happened, and then at 30 minutes I finished creating the integration test. Cool. Alright, look. This is really cool. So I made an example app, really simple one, that decrements and increments a counter value with a view model or a value notifier. There it is. Integration testing. Cool. Yeah, I know. There's a new version available. So given that the view is active and the counter is at 3, setting the counter to 3, the counter is at 3. When I decrement the counter one time, it should be 2. Cool. Nice. Okay. Let's clean up the screen a little bit. And let's go to the test. And then let's do this one. And we'll have the other one that we just did. Reset them. We'll use this as reference, so we can probably use reuse. Oh, no, that's ugly. We can probably reuse some of the logic that we previously made. So given that the model counter and reset the model counter. Okay. So in this case, the example stands for the initial value of the model counter. So let's first do that. Final initial value is example dot first value. That's this one. So now we have that value inside this step. And now what we want to do is increment it that number of times. Sorry, I was thinking about something else and then I stopped talking and everything goes a little bit slower. So for the initial value, yeah, we're gonna make a for loop. So int increment is 0 if increment is smaller than initial value. Increment plus. And what we then want to do is find a button. Oh, wait a minute. We first want to make sure that the app is running, right? So let's do that first. That's a step that we can copy. Given the Gherkin integration test view is active. What? Okay. So we're gonna pump the widget, just like we would do with testing a widget. Yeah. So we're gonna pump the app as if it's as if it's a widget test, and then pump and settle is for waiting until all the frames on the screen have been rendered. You know what I mean? Because you want to do that. Because if you don't do that, you might start looking for stuff on the screen while it's actually still animating. You don't want to do that. Okay, so my eyes. Let's see. So right here, the view is active, then the model counter has been incremented. So what we do here is we find the increment button. That's here. Find by tooltip. So again, if you watched the stream yesterday, you know that we added a tooltip to the increment button, and that's how we are finding it. You can either find a widget by searching for its tooltip, searching for a key, searching for the element type, searching for the all kinds of ways. You can see here by the icon, by the predicate, by the subtype type, by widget. We're doing the tooltip because having a tooltip is nice, first of all, and it doesn't really take up space of anything else. For example, if you take a value key and you use a value key to find a widget, then you cannot use another key in that widget because it's already occupied by the value key, which often is not really a problem, but still, you know what I mean? I'd rather not use a value key unless really necessary. Alright, anyway, increment button. Let's not find it for every increment, so let's first find it and then start doing the loop. Yes, we can expect here to find only one. So this is a matcher, which basically tells it to match something, so it finds one widget. And if you give it this one, which is a finder, yeah, this will work. It will find out whether it has only found one widget or not. Okay, then we want to increment, yes. Let's also make this async. So increment, if it's beneath the initial value, it starts at 0, then it doesn't increment. So if the initial value here is 1, it will do 1, and if it's 3, then it will do 3. And we're safely assuming here that it's already at 0. What we're doing here in the other test is that the counter is at a certain value, as you can see here. Well, we cannot really be sure that it's, or we don't have to be sure that it's at some kind of value. We just need to know that it has a value for this test. So, yeah, we don't have to check whether it's at 0 first and then increment it. Because it doesn't matter if it's at 100 or 1,000. It will never be still, but we don't have to check it also either. Okay. And then we're using a when then step just to showcase the class, I guess. When then. In this step, we combine the when and the then. So we don't have to write a simple, a separate when, where you usually just perform one action and then do the expect. In this type of step, you can do the action and the expect in the same step. Quite convenient, if you ask me. When I call the reset method, then the model counter should be 0. Alright, let's do that. Let's do that, yo. Then we're going to find the reset button, which we also already found here somewhere. Reset button. So in this case, we're trying to find the reset button by finding its key. As you can see here, I made a constant of it, value key, and added it here. And in order for me to find it, I just refer to the constant. Nice. Easy, easy. Okay, then again, we only want to find one widget. Nice. Copy paste master in the working. And then let's see, when I call the reset method, then the model counter should be 0. Let's see. That's this one. And this one. Alright, so in order to find the value counter value, we're gonna look for, let's see if we still have the app here. No. Can we open it? No. That's a lot of no's. I need to stop using this mouse pad because my arms are hurting. Right, everything hurts. I know. Okay, I'm trying to start. I will try to use my mouse. We have the value counter value here, and we find it by looking for the key. Again, a key that we put here, and then evaluate. It will give you the widgets elements, and then say okay, we know it's going to be 1, so take the first one, and it will throw a state error if it's empty or it has more than one element. So yeah, fine. Then widget. I wonder if you can do single on a list as well. Yeah, nice. And then we say this is a text, and then by calling data, we can get the value of the text. So we're not really, we don't have the model counter, or I mean the view model to check the value, which we can also do. But yeah, we chose to go for this. So we just read the value on the screen because it should always reflect the actual value of the model counter. Okay. So I think that we're done actually with this one. Let's add some logging, which is also nice, always nice. So log info, a starting app. Log success. App started. Log info, incrementing model counter with initial value. Up. Look, success. Model counter incremented. And then log info calling reset button. Hey, wait a minute, we're not tapping the reset button. That's crazy. Crazy. And I think that in the other test we're not doing, we're doing the same. Yeah. Since that's stupid. Since it's always 0, it doesn't really matter. But still, we do want to test it here. Or I do want to make sure that it's 0 before we start incrementing it. So let's just take this. Okay. And then do it like this. Reset button. Yep. Async. Let's go through the other ones. Yep. Doing the same. Here we are doing this. I think this is the one that we were. Okay. Focus. Focus. This one then. Given when I increment, blah blah blah. Yep, okay. So you can add this here and then add some logging as well. Say okay, setting the counter to 0. Alright. To do. Let's add a to do here. Add logging. We'll get back to that later. Okay. What am I doing? Let's go back to the reset scenario. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So anyway, to do reset button, testing it, calling reset button, tapping, of course, not calling, tapping reset button. Expect the reset button to find one widget. Yes. Okay, nice. Let's see if it works. You know what I mean. Void main. So when doing the actual test, we will run all these tests from a higher function. It's going to be interesting to see if that works. But we'll see that when we get to that. But you can also run these isolated. So that's what we're going to do. First off, let's find the binding. Add the binding stuff because yeah, this kind of this indicates how to do the test. So it will act as if it's really you're starting as a real person. It's doing everything it does when it's live, right? Something like that. Read the documentation if you want to be sure about it. Don't take my word for it. And then here we can do reset model counter, scenario, tests. Yes. And put the binding in here. Because you might want to use the binding for your tests. You have access to the binding from here, your steps. Because it passes it down, Let's go. While we wait for the test to run, we can already start adding some logging for the to-do that I just made. There's a to-do stuff here, right? Okay. Many to-dos, many. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Integration testing. Hey. That timer does not bother me. That all ticks. Yes, I'll catch you there. I'm not sure who you are, but catch you there. Hey, I see the chat is working. Cool. I need to find out who you are when I'm at work. Okay, anyway. So the integration testing was working. Really nice. Right? Or am I imagining that? Test pass 2. Whoop whoop. Nice. Okay. Let's see. Add some logging to this one. Yep. Add logging. Okay. So here, log info, starting the app. Log success. Starting view. Shall we make this a snippet? That's a good idea. Then we say okay. Log initialize. Yep. Okay, this will work. Starting, initializing the, okay, I sometimes do that, then I press escape on accident and now everything is gone. I need to do it again. Okay, nice. Very nice. So log initialize log info. Initializing the, and then we'll say okay, this is always something else. So the thing, initializing the thing. And then we'll do like this is Dart, so only use it when I'm writing Dart. So log initialize is initializing the view. What? And then end it here. Okay. And then we have another one. The log initialized. I think. Should we do that? Call it like that. Okay. Log initialized. We'll say. Thing initialized. We of course don't wanna give it a capital. Okay, what time is it? 7:48. It's time for a break. Okay. Respect the breaks. So I'm gonna be right back. Hello? Yep. I'll be right back. Give me a sec. I'll be right back. Let's put the timer there. right back. Give my eyes some rest. Make some food, maybe. Kiki, ra ra. Alright, enough breaky. A little too impatient to do the breaky that long. Let's go! Let's go! Nobody listens to techno. Let's go! Actually, I do. I do listen to techno. Okay. Where were we? I think we were at. That's always annoying. You don't remember what you were doing. Ad logging, sure. Right, we were doing this. Okay. Look. Yep. Finding key, blah 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 blah. Setting the counter to 0. Log success. Finding reset button. Whoop. The timer doesn't bother me, by the way. Hey, where did the chat go? I thought I made it so that the chat would stay very long. At least it was working. Always show messages. What is this? 15 minutes or something. I don't know. Okay. Anyway. Welcome to my ASMR video. Reset button. Log success. Reset. Button found and tapped. Okay. here, expect log info. Shall we do this? Finding increment button. It's a lot of logging, but still, it's cool to see. And for, you know, testing purposes, demonstration purposes of this package, let's exaggerate the logging a little bit. Tapping, reset button found in tap, finding increment button for the brain, log info, tapping, increment. No, increment button. That. Okay. And then we could say x plus 1 out of increments. Let's make this final. I'm not sure why it's making it. Whoop, why it's making it a var. It used to make it a final. Maybe because of the project. Maybe because of the linting. Maybe because of the. I don't know. Okay. We expect the model counter to have the value of the value. Alright, then here we'll say whoop. Finding value, counter value, log success, value, counter value found. Just log a success here. Let's see if that works. It's 8 o'clock almost. 8 o'clock. We still have 30 minutes. Let's finish this one and then wrap it up. You know what I mean? Yep. Then I can prepare to go to the office. Cool. Look at all this automated integration test stuff happening. So the gear-confuse active, initializing the view initialize when I increment the counter, setting the counter to 0, finding reset button found in tab, finding increment button. We can also do like nice. We don't have to log the success here. This is enough. Right? This is so cool, right? I think so. Nice. I think I do want to change the info icon, but still. Whatever. Okay, let's see. 18 minutes to do the rest, 3 more. You might think, well, how are you gonna do that? You only created 1 test in the last 30 minutes. Well, let me tell you something, mister. There they are. No, they are basically the same tests as the other ones. So when you look at this one, example integration test, let's keep that one there. Let's clean up the screen. Clean up the screen. We have this integration finite file. This is the same as that one. So let's open this one Yes, okay. Then open this one. Yes, okay. And then open this one. Yes, okay. And then open this one. Just kidding. Okay, incrementing. So we can probably copy a lot of stuff. Yep. We can copy everything. And then sorry, I'm tapping on the desk again. My bad. Nice. Okay. Not HTML. Come on, man. So we know it has to behave exactly the same, but it has to tap the other button, and the other button is the value notifier. So let's do that. 16 minutes. Here you go. View initialize. Set in the counter. Finding reset button. Alright. Reset button found. Yes. Increment model counter. Wait. Increment value notifier. There it is. Nice. I think this is it. So we changed the model counter value. We're using the right button. I think this should work. Let's do some cool stuff. If it works. See. Whoop. And do it like this. Okay. Cool. Let's see if it works. Running pod install. Okay, sure. But remember to remove this. Okay. Yes, to do remove. Oh yes, I'm talking to you. It's not working, but it is working. Okay. Interesting. Can you see what's wrong? So, this is the model counter, yeah, but we have another one that is showing the value of the value notifier. That is this one. And here we want to pass in the key as well. Okay, now that we passed in the key, let's clean it up. Close all the tabs to the right. Then we say find the value of the notifier. Damn it, 12 minutes, guys and girls, of course. Shout out to, what's his name again? Really motivational guy. Joe Statics. Cool guy. He always says that. Hello, guys and girls. Okay. Yes, sir. Nice. Working. Next. Next. Decrement. Okay. This one. Can you see what I see? We're missing a bit of login here. Increment. What we can do is we can add it here. Yes, sir. Increment button found. Oh, sorry. Tapping again. Increments. Decrement button found. Yay! Okay. All right. Cool. Everybody learns. Okay, let's go. This is enough. Then, blah. Yeah, okay, cool. Fine. Let's not exaggerate. Decrement. We have 9 minutes left for 2 tests, ladies and gentlemen. The copy-paste master at work. Okay. Imports. The imports. That is step 1. They are all imported. Alright. Then we want to every model counter is called a value notifier. I'm renaming this as well, value of the counter, because it's legit for both the value notifier and the view model counter. So I just renamed all the forwards to final because we don't want forwards, you know what I mean? At least not in these cases. Okay. Final counter value, evaluate, blah blah blah. Model counter. Value notifier to have a decremented value. Yep. Decrement the value notifier, decrement value. this should work, guys and girls. Let's see, void main notifier. No. Live. No. Binding. Yes, sir. And then we say decrement test. Give it a binding. Let's go. We have 7 minutes left to go. Yes, hello. Yes, hello, Russia. Stay connected. Okay, what the hell's going on now? Are we doing the same thing again? We're doing it again, aren't we? Yes, we are. Ah, shit. Actually made a mistake there. Should have used this one. Okay. Now it should be working. On to the next. Reset it, okay. 6 minutes to finish one test. Ladies and gentlemen, we can do this. I know we can. Yes, you can. Oh God. You got, we got everybody. Integration master. Not HTML, my friend. Material. Or even better, widgets. Widgets, because it's a widget. Yeah, whatever. So let's see what we have here. Reset the value notifier. Starting the app. App started. When the model counter. No, sir. Sorry. This is not the model counter. This is the value notifier test. Increment. Increment. Value notifier. Yes, sir. Find one widget. Alright. When I call the reset method, then the value notifier should be 0. Welcome to my ASMR video. This is all correctly. Yes, and now we are going to find the value of the model counter, which is of course wrong. Yes, sir. Alright. Can we do this? No, we cannot. I think this should work. We did it, guys and girls. Now, for the last 4 minutes, let's see if running the tests all together will work. Might give some issues because of the way that Flutter handles things. My one viewer supporting me again. Thank you. I don't know who you were, but I appreciate it. Because alone is just alone, you know. I'm glad that we're together doing this. Okay, let's see if it works. Fingers crossed. Yes! Bam! Bam, shakalaka taka. Yeah, cool, very cool. Overriding this build method to avoid missing set state method from the widget that it usually. No, let's not explain too much. Cool, 2 minutes. Okay, so this works. First off, let's remove all the mains everywhere. Okay, we are going to go here, and then here. Thank you very much. Remove the main. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Whoa. So I'm thinking if we remove this, maybe we can add this. No, never mind. Whoa. Never mind, never mind. Never mind, man. Come on, relax, relax. Relax. Relax, relax. Relax, relax, relax. My eyes are already messing me up. Yeah, relax, relax. Okay, well, let's see if this works. Because I wonder if we have a given here that it's gonna pump and then pump it up. It doesn't really do any setup or tearing down. Hold on, little girl, show me what you. Yes, it worked. Nice, nice. This is one small step for man. But a big step for mankind. Yes, very big step. Test started. Example 2. Why is this not saying integration test? Test started. Test started. Test started. Okay. Now it's perfect. It's perfect. I think we can wrap it up here. I'm very happy with this morning's stream. Yes, with the results. We can now wrap it up. Wrap this package up and use it. We don't have a good example project. We have good examples of the tests and good documentation. Yeah, I love it. So testing it itself is kind of hard, but yeah, what we could do. To illustrate the setup and the setup ones. Set up each. We can do something like synchronously. Hello. Why is it not working? Oh. This setup each runs for each scenario under the entire integration test. Then we have setup once. This runs once. This runs once. At the start of this integration test, I should probably add this logging to the unit testing package as well. This setup each runs at the start for each scenario. Yeah, maybe I should just copy this. Sorry that I'm not talking that much because you can see what I'm doing. I'm just copy pasting the documentation so you can actually see. This is not necessary. You can see what is happening. Really. Once debug print synchronously. Okay. I remember this. Okay. So let's see, if we run this, it should definitely improve the logging or illustrate the usage of these methods. We can probably do the same for this feature. is run at the start of each integration scenario. Under this integrator at the start. This. This. This will run once at the end of this. To be honest, I think it will only cause confusion. I mean, the documentation is proper. It's nice. So, yeah. This will only cause confusion. Let's just remove it. And it's also easier because then we don't have to update the unit test package. We can wrap this up like I was gonna do a couple minutes ago. Alright, let's go. Man. So the same thing is happening here. What happened to me yesterday? I need to reinitialize the integration test package. And this will give me some errors, probably. Wait, that wasn't. I need to do this. Okay. Then, nice. Yes, this works. We are going to remove the HTTP stuff. That was an accident. Okay. Yep. Can do it like this. Nice. Let's Flutter format. Okay. Did that. Add all those. And I think we're fine. We're good, man. Go to the changelog. Yep, we did that. Then one more look at the example. Yep. Maybe whoa. Maybe we want to update this description. I don't know. The example project has a test folder where the example project has an integration test folder. Okay, I'll leave that. That's good enough for now. Let's publish it. Oh yeah, baby. Flutter publish. Let's go. No safety compliance analysis failed. What the hell's going on, man? Is my pub spec updated properly? Nope. Pub spec. This one. I mean, this one. This one. Yep. Okay. Mm-hmm. No safety compliance analysis failed. Okay. Why is that happening? That's the question. Why is that happening? Okay. One more thing. Let's see. Cooking unit test. Let's compare these together. Environment. Okay, yes. Oh, this one, please. Okay. Yep, same. Okay. You want to publish? Yes, sir. I hope the no safety compliance is being done on their servers as well, and I hope it works there as well. Cool. New version. Oh yeah. Okay, then I think that we're done for today. Well, this morning. I'll probably be streaming again tonight. Thank you, my one viewer, for watching. Again, thanks for the support. Really appreciate it. And yeah, let's wrap it up. Have a nice day. Enjoy your day. And I'll see you tonight. This evening. Probably around 7. Can you hear me? I'll be back around 7.